Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a brand new vintage fan that I've got for my collection. If you have something which I love in your mind, then you're correct. Let me reveal. Yes, it's the Gec Goldline. This motor, according to the label, is 56 inches. 56-inch motor, and this is the batch number. 56-inch motor, but the fan came without blades. No blades for the fan. I got it for a pretty high price comparing it did not have no blades. I got it for 550 rupees without blades, but thanks enough I have my Goldline and my Whisper, so both the blades are compatible. For today I'm going to be using the Goldline's original blades on that fan to do a test. So the fan was missing a capacitor when I got it, so I put one tip and 2.25 microfarad in. I don't know if the fan has some issue, with, I think it makes some noise. I don't know what noise, but there is some weird noise from the fan. Same noise like my Whisper. So I'll see you when I've installed that.
So guys, this is the picture of the Goldline in the market, and headphone users, please decrease your volume.
Guys, the fan's been installed. Yup, it is rusted again like my Whisper. But guys, I wish this had its original 56-inch blades. Now, the scariest moment of truth. 5 speed. So guys, this fan has shaft issues and many more issues, but now we'll at least open the motor and see what's there. So guys, now I'm not going to be showing you much because I don't have a tripod at hand because I'm using my mobile. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be tearing down the fan, and I showed this tearing down in my Whisper video. Go check it out. If you want a separate video of tearing down of the Gec, I'll do that if you guys request. So now let me get to work. Guys, I've removed most of the stuff, capacitor connector. Yep, the shaft is kaput. Capacitor connector, capacitor. This is the canopy. Place it here. This is the download. This is the first Gec which I ever removed the download for. This is rushed. Place it. Tabletop. Oh wait, even this thing is loose. So I'm actually gonna be removing the cap connector and then I'll show you guys. I remove the motor opening screws, the capacitor connector in. Yeah, this is the screw which goes between this and tightens with the download. So that's the reason why the download has a hole here. So I'll meet you when I open the fan up. We should be knowing what's wrong. So guys, as you can see, I've actually got the bush removed. This has some sticky compound. It's not there in my Goldline. So you can see this is the bush. This was the same in my Whisper. So this bush just needs some oil. I had that oil lying on my table. Just show that. This is some all-purpose oil used in sewing machines and everything. This is enough for that bush. So now what I'll do is I'll remove the winding and I'll show you the rest of the fan. So guys, this is the inside after I remove the bearing, and this is the bearing, and this is the coil. Everything is good. So what I'm going to be doing is I actually thought of repairing the bush, oiling it and fixing the fan back and seeing the performance, but no, I'll do that soon, when I'm going to be painting the fan. So now we'll close the fan, assemble it, and I'll place it beside the glue. So guys, that's it today for the fan. in the part 2 of the restoration and the repair. I'm going to be painting the fan, getting the bush done, and we'll see if it can beat that Goldline and the Whisper up there. Yep, it's been a while since I've seen that guy. I actually used it until 2 months ago. I uninstalled it because I had got other fans to try. This is the Whisper. Upper canopy of other fan just to match the lower canopy. And yeah, this is the Princess HB. This is some 90s HB canopies. This is gonna fit, and even the restoration is gonna be done for this. And yeah, loads to come. Thanks for watching. So yep, Goldline. Whisper, Aura. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. I wish you guys good luck. Sayonara. I'm gonna just put this in my freaking cupboard and